Let's talk about Vivo Y81i specifications and price. Vivo Y81i smartphone is a budget smartphone launched by Vivo in India. New generation full view display. The Y81's massive up to 88% screen-to-body ratio is made possible by a reduced top bezel compared to the previous generation full-view display. And thanks to the narrow bezels, even at 15.46 centimeters (6.22), single-hand operation is still easy and comfortable. AI Face Beauty. Vivo's new AI Face Beauty detects your gender, age, skin tone, skin texture and even the lighting conditions around you. And the Y81's customized beauty enhancement effects are all dedicated to emphasizing your unique and natural beauty. 13MP rear camera. The Y81 has a high-definition 13MP rear camera. It also provides super-fast focusing speeds with TAF technology, and allows you to capture even fleeting moments with good clarity. More power, more space. The Y81 is powered by 3GB RAM and 32GB of storage can be further expanded to 256GB with a microSD card, so you can store more videos and pictures. It comes equipped with a large 3260 mAh battery with enhanced power management for longer-lasting battery life. Security at its best. Accessing your phone has never been so simple or so futuristic. Vivo Y81 comes with face access and fingerprint sensor to unlock your phone instantly. You can choose as per your convenience. Price in India will be INR 0.8500. For complete Vivo Y81i specification and for more information click on the link given in description. I hope you will like this video and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.